Greetings, Nine Dimes Project. Welcome to August. And we're about to learn why you're bad with money. But it's not your fault. So check it out. You've tried budgeting, you've tried saving, you swore you wouldn't blow your paycheck this time, but you did it anyway. Now here's the thing. It's not a willpower problem. It's that your brain has been hijacked. Your brain is literally wired to be bad with money. Today, we're showing you the science behind why you can't stop spending and the 3 mental shifts that fix it. This is the part of a 5-part series, part 1 of the 5-part series on the psychology of money that's going to change how you think about every dollar you touch. Pause. All right. So, disclaimer, we're not financial advisors. This isn't financial advice. Understanding how your brain works with money might be the most valuable thing you learn this year. All right, let's get into it. So your brain is a terrible financial advisor. So we're wired for instant gratification. Your brain evolved to prioritize survival now. Food, shelter, immediate threats. There was no retirement plan on the savannah 100,000 years ago. When you see something you want, your brain releases dopamine before you even buy it. The anticipation is high. The purchase itself is usually a letdown. The next one won't be either. Present bias explains. We're going to explain this. Given the choice between $100 today or $150 in a month, most people will take the $100 today. I'd take the $100 today. Your brain discounts the future automatically. Future you feels like a stranger. This is why I'll start investing next month. Turns into next year, then next decade. Your brain treats future you like someone else's problem. So there's a pain to paying. Spending money activates the same brain region as physical pain. Credit cards, Apple Pay, Tap to Pay, all designed to reduce that pain signal. The easier it is to pay, the less your brain registers the cost. When spending doesn't hurt, you spend more. That's by design. So here are 3 mental traps that keep you broke. Trap number 1 is anchoring. You see a jacket marked down from $200 to $120 and think it's a deal. The $200 was never real. It was set high, so $120 feels like a steal. Retailers, car dealers, even landlords use this. They show the expensive option first, and then ask yourself, would I buy this if there was no sale? If no, it's not a deal, it's a trap. Trap number 2 is the Diderot effect. say you get a new gaming system, then your old desk looks beat up next to it, so you buy a new desk. And then your chair doesn't match. And then the room needs better lighting. And suddenly a $500 monitor turned into a $2,000 room makeover. Or for cars, you get a nicer car, and then the cheap phone mount looks out of place, so you upgrade those accessories. Then you feel the need to park it somewhere nicer, so you pay for covered parking. That's the Diderot effect. Buy one thing better, and then everything around it you want to upgrade it as well. All right, trap number 3 is mental accounting. You treat found money, a tax refund, birthday cash, side gig bonus differently than earned money. $500 from a tax refund feels like free money, so you blow it. $500 from your paycheck feels earned, so you're more careful. It's all your money. Every dollar should work the same. All right, so rewiring your brain for wealth. Shift number 1 is automate everything. Don't rely on willpower. Your brain's going to lose every time. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investments before you see the money. You can't spend what you never see. That's not discipline. That's design. Your design. Add friction to spending. Delete shopping apps from your phone. Remove saved credit cards from online stores. 24-hour rule. If you want something, wait a day. If you still want it, then make a decision. Make spending harder and saving easier. And then shift number 3 is visualize the future you. Studies show that people who see age progress photos of themselves save more. So write a letter, like say, think about being 40 years old, and think about that 40-year-old writing a letter to the 20-year-old you. Same person, there's just a 20-year gap, or however old you are. There's just a span between the ages. What do they wish you'd done today? Chances are they wish you had started saving earlier. Put your wealth projection somewhere you see it daily. Make the future you feel real, and present you will protect them. All right, so we have our free wealth builder tools. Links in the description. Also, we put together a 3-part video series that goes deep on money mistakes costing you millions. The link's also in the description. So, what's the dumbest purchase your brain tricked you into making? Or somewhere where you lost money by betting on something? Comment down below. Friday, we're going to expose the silent trap that hits the moment you start making more money. It's a lifestyle creep. All right. I'm going to be making more videos. Stay tuned. but we'll see you in the next one.